The Student Monitoring System (SMS) is a modern online database application that is extremely responsive and operates on a variety of devices. School administrators may simply manage students' grades, attendance data, and courses with this system. You may use the system to produce reports, which you can then examine, export as data, or print. The Introduction, System Overview, Acronyms, Roles and Responsibilities.
The Student Management System is a sleek web database application that is very responsive and runs seamlessly on a wide range of devices. With this system, school administrators can easily manage student marks, attendance, records, and courses, meaning we make this system to have a smooth transaction between the student and teacher na kung saan di na mahihirapan ng both user, especially the student, na pupunta pa sa school para malaman ang kanyang grade. With the help of student management system, mas mapapadali pa ang pag-view ng student sa kanyang grade at even attendance. You can generate reports with the system and be able to analyze or export as CSV data or print. Sa atin namang system overview, the system name na aming ginamit ay Student Monitoring System para mas papadali sa student na kanilang ma-analyze agad kung anong system ang kanilang gamit. The system type, the web application na kung saan para mas mapadali at mas maging convenient sa both student and teachers na magamit ito ng maayos with the help of website. The operational status is in development na kung saan ito po ay prototype pa lamang at in the near future we are working hardly para mas ma-develop pa po ito, mas mapa-improve at mas magkaroon pa ng panibagong futures na kung saan ay mas magiging kapakinabang sa mga estudyante at teacher upang mas mapadali pa ang kanilang pag-access sa kanilang grade at paggawa ng mga grade. The database name is SMS database. The acronym and abbreviation. The SMS simply stands for Student Monitoring System, then the CSV stands for separated values. Dito naman po sa ating roles and responsibilities, the teacher has the right to upload his or her grade and delete also, na kung saan si teacher po ay pwedeng mag-upload and delete lamang ng grade at wala na po siyang pwede pang gawin sa ating system. Also, the student has the right to see her or her grade, na kung saan yun lamang po ang pwedeng gawin din ni student at wala na rin po siyang pwedeng galawin sa aming system.
The System Architecture and Data Flow.
Sa Student Monitoring System, System Architecture at Data Flow, user device and web browser in internet. Ito yung magsisilbing tools para gamitin ng user through system para maka-access sa system. Then, web server, HTML5, CSS. Ito ang magsisilbing skeleton or interface design para makipag-interact through user to system. Database server, MySQL. Lahat ng data, lahat ng information na nagagather is dito na pupunta. Dito na i-store sa database server. Backup server. Sa backup server, lahat ng mga nice na i-collect papuntang database server is maaaring i-backup sa backup server. Then, Windows application and SQL queries and admin. Dito, naka-grant lang ang access for admins para ma-manipulate lahat ng datas So, sa pinakahuli naman ng system architecture is student monitoring portal. Dito naman is yung pinakapanglabas na system, yung magsisilbing front end para sa user. So, dadako naman tayo sa data flow. Sa data flow, dito nakapaloob lahat ng flow ng isang system. So, sa front page is login. Dalawang option for login is student and teacher. So, sa student, sa teacher, once na nag-login ka to teacher, papasok ka sa dashboard. Then, student, dito nakalista lahat ng mga list ng student section. Dito lahat naka-show or naka-view yung section ng hawak mo. Then, sa subjects din, dito naman nakalagay yung assigned subjects para sa isang teacher. So, sa grades, dito naman nakalagay lahat ng mga grades ng isang estudyante. Then, edit, update, grade. Once na na-edit or update mo ang grade ng isang estudyante, maaari ka ulit bumalik sa grades for confirmation na bago mo na. Profile settings. Dito mo makikita lahat ng profile info ng isang teacher. Pwede ka dito mag-change task. Once na nag-change task ka, magre-redirect ka through teachers login. So sa student naman, student login, kapasok mo is dashboard for student. Grades for student is only for viewing and printing grade. Once na na-print mo, redirect to dashboard. Profile settings is same to teacher. Nandito rin yung information ng isang student na pwede mong baguhin. Pwede baguhin ang student, pwede mag-change pass yung student. Then, once na nagpalit ng password, nag-change, redirect, log out, and re-log in.
The collection table.
Collection tables. Sa collection table ay may tatlong kategorya na nagdi-describe ng mga sumusunod. Ang una ay ang student info, kung saan dito makikita ang mga detalyadong impormasyon ng estudyante. Ito ay ang ID number, student name at student address. Sa ikalawa ay ang teacher's load. Dito naman nakapaloob ang subject at section na hinahawakan ng bawat guro. Ang ikatlo ay ang grades, kung saan ang isang semester ay nahahati sa tatlong markahan. Ito ay ang prelim, midterm at finals. Kung saan dito malalaman ang bawat activity records na ginagawa ng estudyante.
The entity relationship diagram.
This is the ER diagram or entity relationship model of our system called student monitoring system. Naglalaman ang ER diagram na to ng entities such as student, subject, teacher, and grades. And at bawat entities ay naglalaman naman ng attributes. Sa student, naglalaman nito ng student ID, student name, and address. At sa subject, section, subject code. Sa teacher, subject code, subjects, and sections. Sa grades naman, preliminary, midterm, and finals. Sa student, ang ating primary key ay student ID. At ang pinapakita naman na relationship nito ay ang student ay kumuha ng subject at ang teacher naman ang nagtuturo ng subject at ang teacher din ang nagbibigay ng grades.
The SQL query.
So hello, this is the script or the query of student monitoring system. It contains of three tables: the teachers table, student table, and the grade table. Ang database na ginamit namin is student monitoring. So, kailangan natin siyang i-use. Ang purpose ng use is lahat ng query or in-script mo is mapupunta sa student monitoring. So, execute natin. Completed successfully, which means okay siya. Nakaset na siya. So, tignan natin sa database folder. Refresh natin. Ito, student monitoring. The teachers table contains a 4 column. Run natin. Contains of teacher's ID, first name, last name, and email address. In the student table, it contains a 4 column. So, show natin. Select from student. Student is the table name. So, execute. So, it contains of student ID, which is the primary key, first name, last name, and section. The teacher's ID is the foreign key. Nanggaling ito sa teacher's table. The purpose of foreign key is to give you a data integrity at the low level. And the last table is the grades table. It contains of 5 columns. Show natin, select, asterisk. The purpose of asterisk is kaya niyang i-show lahat ng data sa loob ng isang table. So, select asterisk from grades. Highlights, execute. So, as you can see, it contains of student name, section, prelim, midterms, and finals. The teacher's ID is the foreign key. Teacher's ID is the foreign key from the teacher's table, and the student ID is the foreign key from the student table. So, bakit nandito ang teachers? Teacher's ID is may kakayahan siyang mag-input ng grade sa bawat estudyante, and the student ID is kaya niyang i-view their grade from prelim, midterms, and finals. At this section, I'm trying to insert another value or another data sa loob ng isang teacher's table. So, I use insert into, table's name, teachers, column name, yung paglalagyan ng value, which is the teacher's ID, first name, last name, and the email address. Then the values or yung ilalagay sa loob ng isang column name. So, natin. Teacher's ID, so 888. First name, Ana. Last name, Cruz. And the email address is Ana Cruz at gmail.com. Highlights. Execute. 1 rows affected. It means correct. Sa teachers table. The teachers. Refresh. Then show the column. Then teachers. Execute. Then this is the new data or value sa loob ng isang teacher's table using the insert syntax. Then now, I'm trying to delete the new data or new value sa loob ng isang teacher's table using the syntax delete from teachers, where conditions where teacher's ID equals to 888. Highlights, execute. One row is affected. It means merong naapektuhan. So, run natin ng teachers. Execute. As you can see, ang value na date, ang nadagdag na data kanina using insert syntax is nawala na because of the delete syntax.
The system interface.
So, ito yung magiging system interface ng student monitoring system or student monitoring portal. Dito is merong option for teacher and student. So, papasukin natin yung teacher. Once na napasok mo yung for teacher is magre-required siya na magpa-login through your email and password. So, once na nakapasok ka, dashboard for teachers, naka-include yung bilang ng estudyante, sections, subject, and grades. So, next, student, dito nakapaloob lahat ng mga list ng isang student per sections. Section, dito nakapaloob yung section na hawak mo at saka mga student or kung active, inactive ang isang student. Subjects. Sa subjects naman, dito naka-indicate lahat ng code subjects na naka-assign sa'yo. You only have 2 subjects load in your account. Grades. Sa grades, dito nakapaloob lahat ng mga grades mo na kinompute mo for students. So, pwede mo siyang baguhin through this icon. Pwede mo siyang i-edit, pwede mo siyang i-update, then pagtapos, pwede mo nang i-click yung done. Then, sa profile settings naman, dito, pwede mong i-change yung personal infos mo. So, pag nag-change ka ng password or kahit na ano, once na pinindot mo yung save and done, automatic redirectly log out. So, proceed to student portal. Sa student, same as login. Pagpasok is dashboard. Personal information ng isang student. Name, ID number, section, and year. Sa grades, only na kayang gawin lamang ng student sa system is to view their grades and print. So, profile settings, same as sa teachers portal ng system. Pwede mong baguhin lahat ng profile information mo. So, once na binago mo, save, and then done, auto redirect to log out and log in again